Okay. Oh. Oh my God.
Not alone. Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 700 will...
Oh my God. You like getting baths? No. Why not? No. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh God. You don't belong in there.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
What are you doing?
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Și să nu-i pliculești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
No, you jumped over these double bacon shoes.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh. It's official. Oh. Mila! Mila! Quit!
No! No! Hey! Hey!
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
What's that? What's that?
Oh my God.
I don't know.
His name is John C.
This.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
What? What is going on?
It's okay. I know you're. I know.
You are a fox. Funky.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Oh, I got her! Oh.
Begitu tuh foto.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello. So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Oh, no, 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 no.
Stop. Oh my goodness.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Oh, Michael, Michael! Ah! Oh, okay.
Go.
That's right.
How 深情啊，在这里跑酷。
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
No. You're evil. Evil. Evil.
Oh!
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want tap?
What in the world was that all about? Why did you just do that?
No, you.
Nani?
No, you jumped over these double bacon.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky!
Okay. Misty.
Are you good?
Luffy, stay. Stay!
Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
Weirdo.
It's so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much.
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now.
What do you think you're doing? This is not your place. You can't just run around making a mess everywhere.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
Raggy! Stop!
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No. What are you doing?
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley. You have 2 cookies, and I don't have any.
time for smelling salts.
Oh, there's no top.
Hi, are we hungry?
Sliding it wide, still in play here. Cross comes in, Strap. Oh, he's buried it! Goal!
Okay, ow. Are you serious?
And it did. Huh?
It's okay, Daddy.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Oh, hello.
You just did a little smile.
Gary!
What are you doing?
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep it? Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on. Unbelievable. No.
Autrefois, j'étais naïf.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Let me in. Marshmallow. Get you the big cam.
Oh my God, pumpkin! Can I touch you? Oh my God.
Oh, he's not happy.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Yeah, she ain't moving.
No, she is not.
Where did you get that?
I think you know.
Careful.
Como que si tiene hambre este, ¿no? Está madre baboso. Pendejo.
quicker, please.
Oh, he almost did it.
Come on.
He's gonna drown himself.
Just take it up to the drum.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god,
Let her chase me.
Sorry, get your dog. Excuse me, dog.
You ready?
You don't know how to do that door, do you? Winter knows how to do the door. Mama.
Oh my God, dog!
Hi. You alright? What? He's only little. It's alright.
Just that's funny.
Funny. Don't hide this out. Wardrobe.
Chili. Hi.
I'm sorry, we're gonna have to wait. No, no. No.
Bro, go get a dog, bro. He's gonna.
Bro, relax, bro.
Bro, he's biting me,
You're
bro.
exaggerating, bro. He's just playing with you.
Don't, no, if you genuinely, oh my god.
Look, Prince. Prince, mommy here. Oh my god.
Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take it now.
What's with your face? Is it? Oh.
他受了进化论的影响，对不对？对吧？错。啊，进化论的影响，所以。
I made you something.
jet-to holiday.
Jack, you little sausage.
Didn't come up in the way.
He's like, I already know it.
Oh no, how will you get it? What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Come here, sit. Good boy! Get her! Get her! Vincent. She's doing on your tail, man. He said, what?
What the fuck is that? He doesn't bite. What the fuck?
Get off the table now.
No. No, no, no.
Steven!
There's no wrong.
It's like a little missile.
Oh my gosh!
Get it, get it. Oh! Oh no! Oh, Finn, where's that bit?
Oh, man.
Rocky.